So you need something unique. In marketing terms, we call that a remarkable product, okay, or service. You need something that makes your products or services sell themselves. Now, most of you might not feel that you have a remarkable product or that it is difficult or expensive to create one, and I disagree. Small things can make your business remarkable. And let me give an example. Imagine that you are a consultant or a coach or a doctor. You have your office and people come to you. They wait in the living room. And then you come, you have your session. What can you do that will make them talk to others? What can you do that will make this experience unique? Then later on, we're going to have an augmented description. So we're going to add more points of interaction, and we're going to repeat the same process. So identify points of interaction and create the content that you need. Okay, so let me see, we're here, points of interaction. In both cases, the points of interaction is either content or a dialogue. Okay, so imagine the simple description that I talked about before. So remember about the coach part, that you have a person, a client that finds out about you from your website. He sees a blog post that you wrote. He calls you to schedule for a call. He meets with you, and then he pays. So now your potential client is at your website. So it's the first part of is the first step. What can you do to educate him in a gentle way that you are getting clients through referrals?